Hi, my name is Melissa. I'm one of the therapists at Moment of Truth Physical Therapy. We wanted to share a video today about a way to use the ball within your sacrum to release a little bit of lumbosacral decompression. A lot of our times our sacrum, the end part of our spine, gets stuck or shifted when we have an imbalance in our pelvis. So the ball is going to go right at our sacrum, being the end or triangle part of our spine. We're going to lay on our backs. So we're going to come lying down on our backs, knees bent, bridging up to place the ball in, again, that end or triangle space. And then we're going to rest down onto that ball. You can stay here for 3 to 5 minutes. You might tent your knees together and allow your legs to relax and soften into the ball. For myself, I feel more pressure on my right side, so it might be that that right side is more tight. So you might do a little bit of knee to chest circle. You could try the other side, or you could bring both knees up and do a little bit of massage with the ball in the place that it is. Clockwise, counterclockwise circles, lowering one leg and then the next. You might have to readjust the ball. And again, laying for 3 to 5 minutes. Benefits being that it gets into the deep fascia, allowing it to lengthen, relax, and rehydrate. So coming out of it, taking the ball away, you might roll to your side, and that's it. I hope this video helps.